Hi everybody, Howard Brown here from Cool School Video, and I'm going to be releasing a new library for WindSynths, and it should work with all WindSynths, but I just play the Akai Iwi 4000S right here and the Akai Iwi USB. So I need some people with other synths to test this out and make sure it works before I release it. So if you're interested and tried it out, I need to know the operating system you're using, computer, whether it's a Windows or a Mac, and what WindSynth you're using, so I can see how this will work with the downloads. And if you play the Iwi 4000 or USB, you're welcome to try these sounds out. It's just a small sample pack. The library's got about 600 sounds in it, so it's going to be really cool, and there's a lot of great stuff. So it's built off a free sampler plugin called the TX16W. So what you'll need to do is go to the link I have posted and download that free plugin. It's a great plugin. It works with pretty much any DAW. And if you don't have a DAW, you can download the Cakewalk by BandLab. It's a great program. That's what I've been using. It's the free version. And the TX16W is also the free version. So it doesn't cost you a penny to try this out and see if you like the sounds. And then please let me know how it works with your synth. Hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Installation. Okay, once I hear from you and you tell me what synth you're using and what computer you're on, Mac or PC, you'll be getting an email from me from jazztshirts@hotmail.com. It's going to say WindSynth demo files, and there'll be 2 download links in it. One will be for the TX16WX plugin, and the other is for the sample sounds that I'll be sending you. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is install the plugin and make sure you get it working with your DAW, otherwise you won't be able to play the sounds. So if you double click on that link, it's going to take you to the download page for the TX16W, and these bottom 2 are the latest ones for Mac and for PC. And just use this, make sure you use the 64-bit, not 32. Nobody uses 32-bit anymore. Anyway, so get that installed. It's very simple. If you don't know how to install a VST plugin, there's plenty of YouTube videos. It's very easy. It should take you a couple seconds to do. You just install it into your VST folder on whatever DAW that you're using. Okay, and then go back to the email that I sent and click on the download link. It'll take you to a download page I set up. Double click on the highlighted text, and it's going to download a zip file. It's very small, about 16 megs. Okay, and you can extract it to anywhere you want on your computer. Just remember where you put it so you can navigate to it from the plugin to load the sounds. I would suggest just put it in your music folder. So on PC, you browse to your folder. There's my music folder. Extracting it there. I already have them installed, so I'll just replace them. Okay, so they're on my computer now. Now go back to Cakewalk, which I already have opened up, and I already have the 16W opened up on here. Otherwise, you would just scan your VST folders. It will load the plugin, and then you just drag it over to start it. If you double click on it and go up to performance, and the third icon over on this side, the load performance icon, hit that and navigate to wherever you put your Windy Synth Sounds folder that we just extracted. I have it in my music. Okay, and open up the performances folder, and these 7 patches will be the performances. You don't have to go into the programs at all. That's where the samples and the programs are. So just double click on one of those. It's going to automatically load it, and then you can start playing it. That simple. And you want to load another one, just go back to the load performance. Here's the second one. I'll demo all of them for you. This is a Juno 5 with bass. Very breath sensitive, and a lot of them are compiled from multiple synths, so these are pretty complex sounds. And there are simple single instrument patches too. This is an ethereal pad, and it's a fairly long sample, so if you hold it out, you'll hear lots of different changes. And number 4 is a Barry sax and Harmon mute in unison combo. And number 5 is a Michael Brecker type patch of a minor 7 chord. I love this one. And number 6 is sampled off of a Poly 6. And the last one is a Moog style Rezo bass. So those are all the sample ones that I'm going to be sending you. The actual sound bank's got about 600 sounds in it of all kinds of things: sound effects, percussion, voices, brass,